how to install a Rank Math plugin in WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a powerful and widely used content management system that enables users to create and manage websites with ease. And from here, all you need to do is simply sign in your account by simply going to WordPress.com and simply logging in. Then you will be able to be directed on this page or on the dashboard in here, where you can start navigating on the left side panel of the option. But to start installing the Rank Math, just simply click the plugins button in here on the left side panel. Then click add new plugins. However, make sure to also have a premium account or upgrade account in WordPress in order to start installing the plugins in here. And just go to the search bar and search Rank Math to proceed. Then after that, you will be able to be directed on this here, and it will show you all of the result. And just select here or install this application with over 3 million active installation in here. So just click install now button to proceed. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load until it will show you the button which is activate in here. And by clicking on it, it will automatically be activated. Then it will show you that your plugin has now been activated on this page. And now to start installing it or start using it, you can simply click or find it under this install plugin section. So all you need to do is simply scroll down until you find this Rank Math SEO. So you can simply click the settings or setup wizard to proceed. By clicking the setup wizard, you will be directed on this page. And under getting started, just simply click this advanced, which is the default, and click start wizard button below. And you could also import here SEO settings to your Yoast SEO all-in-one SEO pack, or you could also skip this one if you want to by clicking this button. Now moving on to the next site, which is your site section. You can simply click here your business type and your business, which is I'm going to enter web shop, your website name, and even your alternative one. Then below here you can simply upload your logo for Google. And after filling out all of this required information, just click the save and continue button below to proceed to the next step in here. And by doing so, we have here to connect Google services. Then it will show you in here some of the benefits of connecting Rank Math account. So now to proceed, all you need to do is simply click the connect your Rank Math account in here button. By doing so, you will automatically be directed on this page where you can sign in or log in using your Google, Facebook, WordPress, and many more. But I'm choosing the Google account, and after that, you will be able to be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply choose your Google account in here. Then click the continue button to proceed. So basically in here, all you need to do is simply connect or link your Google account. Then on this page, all you need to do is simply click the OK Activate Now button to proceed activating the plugins, in which it is also including your website on your WordPress in here as you can see. Then just do the same process of signing in using your Google or linking your Google account in here. Then simply check all of these boxes indicating that you agree to the terms of use and conditions of linking it. Then click the continue button below again to proceed. Now under this analytics, you could also search your site under this search console. But as you can see here, it will automatically be added once you've already had a search or Google search console in here. But if it's not working, you could simply enter here manually or use some other browser such as, for example, Microsoft in here. And after that, you could also fill out the required information below here, including the analytics, and even add your AdSense account if you want to. However, that is just only an optional in here. So to proceed, just click save and continue button below. And upon doing so, you will be directed under the sitemaps, and it will show you where you could also click save and continue. Once you have now done, we have here this SEO tweaks, and I'm not going to change any of this option or enable anything in here, but this is just the default, and click the save and continue button once again in here to be proceed in here on this page. And as you can see, our website is now currently ready. Then we can now simply proceed or go back to our dashboard in order to start using the Rank Math SEO, in which from here you can navigate some other options on the left side panel. As you can see, we're currently under local SEO, where we can change the person or company the website name. While under this global meta, you can also change some other options that you prefer. And basically from here, the purpose of Rank Math SEO in WordPress is to help users optimize their website content for search engines thereby improving visibility, traffic, and rankings. It also provides a user-friendly interface with powerful tools that guides user in implementing on-page SEO best practices such as keyword optimization, meta descriptions, title, internal linking, and schema markup. So now as you can see, we've now successfully installed Rank Math SEO in here in our WordPress. So overall, that is just basically how to install Rank Math plugin in WordPress.